Hey guys, you are watching Joy Sneaker on YouTube. Today I'm gonna review the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG, featured in the movie Spider-Man Into the Spider-Verse. Right on the top, of course, you have a red tumbled leather upper. There are many dots on the leather. Looking towards to the toe box, the dots are much smaller. They get a little bit bigger here and towards the heel. You can see the dots are much larger. If you look at the end of the upper part of the ankle, you can tell that the dots are much lighter. The swoosh is also a black, but if you look close, there's a nice little texture to it, sort of like Spider-Man's uniform. Right here is a very nice tumbled leather, super soft. The tongue itself is just the old school nylon, so they keep it as OG as possible. The tongue label you got your OG Nike Air, but it's blue. That again matches the whole Spider-Man costume. The lace are black, cone waist, the little red tips. If we quickly pick up another pair, the shoes come with the red pairs, the second pair of the shoe lace that comes with the little blue tips. Another key detail to the shoe is that translucent also. Now let's take a look at the shoe box. You see the spider logo with a circle. It looks like a basketball. So there's a little nod to the Air Jordan. You got the dope Nike on the side. On the other side, you can see it says Spider-Man Into the Spider-Verse. Finally, we got the size tag. The retail price is $160, but as we know, there's many fans of the Spider-Man, so I think this pair will sell out quickly. Inside we got the blue tissue. Again says Spider-Man Into the Spider-Verse. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, you can contact me to add my Snapchat Joy Sneaker on my WhatsApp and iMessage. You can also email me, and please add my Snapchat Joy Sneaker. I will post many new sneakers on my stories every day. Thank you for watching. I will see you next video. Peace.